kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today, we are drawing a cute boy. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the round face and cute little ears. Now add the hairstyle on top of the head. Then draw the body and the waving hand, saying hello. Add the shirt, shorts, and don't forget the pockets. Now draw the legs and cool sneakers on the feet. Great job! Now it's time to color. Add soft colors for the skin and a little pink on the cheeks. Use blue for the shirt and dark blue for the shorts. Color the shoes with bright red to make them stand out. Color the hair with brown. And done! Your cute boy is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing.